I have had a little voice in my head for about the past month telling me to cut my own bangs. I saw a video on Instagram and this content creator used these clip-ins that you can get from Amazon for less than $10. They looked really good on her, so we're gonna give these a try. Let's do a quick color match. I have natural black and then brown black. Okay, natural black for the win. I obviously do not have a good texture match right now, but I'm gonna work on that in just a minute. Oh my gosh, this looks insane. Okay, they need a bend, and I'm gonna just straighten the front of my hair so that these will blend a little bit better. Just trust the process. I bought 2 different colors and 2 different styles. Pulled out my Dyson Airwrap. I'm gonna use this to put some curl and some shape to these and then attach them, and we're gonna see how it looks. Redo. Too low. This is option 1. I don't hate it. This will work better if all of my hair is flat iron because the texture will match a lot better. New look. All right, let's try the thicker ones now. I thought I would like these better, but I'm actually not sure. So let me know which ones you think are best down below. Overall, I am kind of into this. I think this is gonna be a cute way to just switch up my hair without having to make any type of medium to long-term commitment with an actual cut. I think the thicker ones look better if you're gonna do like a low bun. It also has these like longer side pieces which make it easier to blend to your own hair. And you can obviously cut these to your liking. So yeah, you've got that on both of these. Let's go see what my husband thinks about this. See if we can trick him into thinking I've been up here cutting my hair. Babe, I need your help real quick.
Look good there. Looks good.
I know you don't necessarily like bangs.
No, I like it.
Okay.
You look like incredible me.
What?
The lady in the chair.
Edna.
Yeah.
I think is her name. Despicable Me.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm.
You into it?
Yeah.